25 ways to turn a girl on. Number 1. Spank her. Every girl loves spanking, it's just a matter of how hard. In order to turn her on with this technique, you'll need to be comfortable around each other, as it's very intimate. You can do this on the second date if your first was a clear success. Number 2. Kiss her for longer than usual, this will make her think you find her attractive. Number 3. Long eye contact for few seconds longer than usual. She feels dominated by it. Number 4. Sleep with no clothes on next to her or in underwear if you haven't piped her yet. Number 5. Rub her thighs. This is an old but gold technique. Number 6. Tease her about small details she can change in a second. Number 7. Use push or pull cycle every 5 seconds in between complimenting and teasing. Kissing and negging. Number 8. Cuddle with her in the spoon position, hugging her from behind. Number 9. Gently pulling her hair. Number 10. Delay sex. Number 11. Squeezing her breasts in public. Make sure no one's looking. Number 12. Try playing bad cop and good cop in bedroom. Number 13. Go behind her and unwrap her bra. Number 14. Hit on her blatantly like you just fell in love with her. Number 15. Flirt with her in every sentence. Number 16. Do sexual jokes. Number 17. Let her know your darkest fantasies and ask her about hers. Number 18. Make her feel special but not irreplaceable. Number 19. Make her a bit jealous by hugging one of your girlfriends. Number 20. Smirk at her and say nothing. Number 21. Play with her hair. Number 22. Bite her neck softly. Number 23. Squeezing her butt. Number 24. Telling her to wear a certain dress. Number 25. Change things up every time you pipe her.